The shaft alignment of a ship is checked by assessing the bearing loads using hydraulic jacks. Correct alignment of the shaft allows the bearing to take equal loads of the shaft. The hydraulic jacks are placed on each side of the shaft bearings to lift the shaft clear of the bearing surface. Top key bolts are slackened to allow the shaft to move upwards. A dial gauge fixed to the bearing indicates lift. The jacks exert hydraulic pressure. Reading on the pressure gauge indicates load on the bearing. Lift and load readings are plotted on a graph. Using the pressure gauge and dial gauge values, the curve on the graph takes a different shape as the shaft lifts clear. Change in shape of curve indicates that the shaft is free from the bearings and the jacks bear its load. This load is ascertained from the graph. The load for all the shaft bearings are measured and compared with the design values.